Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about how to change Facebook page name on your mobile. So guys, first of all, open Facebook application. Here you will see this interface. Simply tap on profile icon here, and now tap on this arrow, and guys, select the page which you want to change your name. I am selecting here. Guys, this is my Facebook page. Now again tap on profile icon, and now scroll down. Here is tap on setting and privacy, then tap on setting. Now scroll down again and find out page setup. Here you can see page setup. Simply tap on page setup, tap on it, and when you tap on it you will see new interface. And now simply tap on view. So guys, after that enter your new Facebook page name. Now tap on save changes, and enter your Facebook ID password for security reason. After entering Facebook ID password, your Facebook page name change within 3 working days. I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like and subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.